So over here, you can see that I have a storyboard project right here. And then you can see that I got different layers right here. So when you have multiple layers, then it is easy to actually go around and select out individual layers right here and then work around with it. But sometimes what you may want to do is you may want all of these details to be in a one single layer. So in that case, what you can also do is you can merge out these layers right here. So to do that, you can go to the layers right here, just like this. And then over here, you can see that you can go around and merge down the layers. And once you do that, what happens is that the top layer gets merged down with the layer beneath it right here. You can also select out like different layers right here and then merge them out together to make it a single layer. So if I were to go around onto layer right here, then you can go around over here onto merge layers right here or merge selected layers, and you can see that the selected layers will be merged out. So let me just go around onto the next scene right here. And for this one, I'm going to go to layer and then click on merge layers. So in this case, what you can do is you can turn it into a bitmap or a vector layer right here. So let me just say I want to convert everything to bitmap, and I can change the resolution factor. So let's say I want to change the resolution to 25% right here. And then I'm just going to go around and select out all of these layers, or you can deselect a layer if you don't want to merge them. So I'm just going to select all, and I want to delete out the source layer as well. Or you can go around, remove the individual layers as well and press OK. And what happens is that everything will be cropped right here. It's turned into a bitmap layer, as you can see, and it's turned into a merged layer right over here. But if I were to go around over here, and let me just go to layer and click on merge layers, then I can go around and then let's say, for example, not select delete source layers and press OK. Then you can see that a merged layer comes up over here on the top, and the separate layers are over here as well. And that is how you can use the merge layer option inside of Toon Boom Storyboard Pro. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.